Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Lockheed Martin detailed guide step by step clearly. First, research Lockheed Martin and its position in the aerospace and defense industry. Visit the company's website to read about its history, products, and financial performance. Next, review their recent press releases and news articles to stay updated on any developments. Consider the overall state of the defense contracting market and how it affects Lockheed Martin. Analyze the company's financial statements, focusing on revenue, profit margins, and use financial metrics like price-to-earnings ratio and dividend yield to evaluate its stock value. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one, ensuring it supports stock trading. Choose a brokerage with low fees and a user-friendly platform for trading. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to prepare for purchasing shares. Look up Lockheed Martin's stock ticker symbol, which is LMT. Place a market order to buy shares if you want to invest immediately at the current market price. Alternatively, place a limit order to set a price you are willing to pay per share. Monitor your investment over time, tracking Lockheed Martin's performance and market trends. Stay informed about policy changes and defense budgets that might impact the company's future. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risks associated with investing in a single company. Set long-term goals for your investment and review your strategy periodically. This ensures you are aligned with your financial objectives as market conditions change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.